Xara Cloud introduces a new feature that allows you to streamline your print marketing process. Design, print, and distribute in one workflow to connect with your audience faster. With Xpressdocs, get your marketing done faster with materials printed and delivered to your door on the same day. Skip the printer and post office. Reach people faster with personalized direct mail by using mailing lists right from the Xpressdocs platform, just like sending an email. Build a list targeting prospects surrounding a specific point. You can also filter by demographics or address types. Customize materials down to the paper density and coding. You'll always have professional quality print work. Maintain high standards and consistency on your printed materials. No ugly surprises with Xara's AI document checker. Send those mailers today. Easily upload and adapt marketing materials created in other tools to avoid redesigning the wheel. Or start with Xara templates. Craft your print materials with automatic branding and drag-and-drop editing. See why top companies choose Xara as their print marketing platform. Sign up and get started.